Greetings, this is going to be a video. I don't know if we could call it with awareness claims. Today we have climbed to the highest place of the stage tower. We are here in the cone. Continuing with the maintenance work, we are going to start from the structure of the cone, cleaning the dust and dirt accumulated in its beams, winches, pulleys, motorizations, and blocks, up to the counterweight cars and their associated infrastructure. But first I have carried out certain preparations, such as the lowering of the fire curtain so that the suspended dust does not dirty the stalls. I have also surrounded the access to the cone with beacon tape, of course the stage ones. Probably one of the most ignored or unnoticed causes is dirt to the degree of grime and its impact on mechanical stage systems. The technicians I have worked with have never valued keeping machinery in perfect cleanliness or keeping their work environment free of dirt. Probably because the cleaning of the technical installations and the scenic mechanisms is usually an ambiguous question as to who should carry it out, whether it be the technicians from the theaters or the external subcontracted companies that are assigned maintenance. It may seem to you that I am showing you the dirtiest section of the entire stage machinery, but everything is generally in this state of dirt. Since curing does not lead to anything, I'm going to take the cleaning pots and I put the pit, because continuing with the current state of generalized filth, without intervening in it, will lead to mechanical damage, the appearance of seizures or abrasions that lead to wear and therefore clearances, noises, vibrations and the most fearsome of everything, to failures and their derived consequences that in the best of cases are limited to material, economic, image and also social damage. The penetration of particles with arid components in the toroidal interstices of aircrafts can involve slight premature alterations in the geometries of the notches of the pulleys. And why are we going to risk if a simple cleaning is the solution? So far today's video. I leave you because I still have to eliminate as far as possible the dirt embedded in all the stage machinery and its supporting elements. Although first, as you can see, I have to rearrange the cone. Pick up ropes and wiring from specific motors to take them to the parking lot. Well, I leave you with a lot of work left.